Understanding BotBasher's biometric privacy and security approach. BotBasher, a platform that provides biometric verification, has addressed user concerns about data processing and privacy. In this video, they provide an in-depth look at how they process and protect user data through confidential computing technology. The biometric verification process comprises several stages that ensure user data is shielded from potential attacks at every step. The first step is data collection, where a live video-based 3D face scan is taken using a device with a camera of at least 3 megapixels. During this step, the neural network transforms the video feed into an anonymized 3D template while simultaneously verifying liveness. The next step is encryption and transmission, where the anonymized 3D template and liveness data are encrypted using asymmetric cryptography while still on the user's device, and sent over the network to the confidential virtual machines, VMs. This process is critical as there is a potential for attacks happening at this stage. The encrypted data arrives on confidential VMs that utilize AMD subs, which provides hardware-based encryption to safeguard the entire VM from unauthorized access, including potential intrusion by the host administrator. The protection extends to the hypervisor, which is managed by the cloud service provider, CSP. This ensures the prevention of any physical attacks by host admins as well as state-backed attacks. While AMD SEVSMP effectively mitigates the risk of physical attacks, there is another type of threat to consider: attacks by super administrators, or in simpler terms, those who set up the servers. To address this concern, SCVSNP technology provides an option to configure it in a way that even the super admins do not get access to the components of data on the server. For users to get verified, two components are required: an anonymized 3D face template and liveness data. The confidential computing servers compare the newly arrived encrypted and anonymized 3D face templates against those already registered in the system. Once the data is authenticated, the encrypted and anonymized 3D face template is saved on the confidential virtual machine, VM, and a random string is generated, which is linked to the Discord ID. Since the liveness data gets deleted immediately and only a random string associated with Discord ID is stored, even if an attacker gains access to servers, the only information they could potentially retrieve is a Discord ID associated with a random string, rendering the data useless for malicious purposes. In summary, BotBasher ensures that biometric data is safeguarded and kept private. From the outset of the data collection process, they ensure that no data can be traced back to a specific user by anonymizing the 3D face templates. By employing confidential computing, they guarantee that data is never transmitted without encryption. Moreover, through the use of AMD subs, they make certain that the data remains inaccessible to anyone at any stage of the data lifecycle.